if you have ever been complimented on a perfume because it is loud, expensive, and smells completely out of this world, there's a 99% chance that it's made by one man, Quentin Biche. Quentin Biche is the rock star of modern perfumery. Let me tell you something really interesting. Quentin Biche was initially rejected by a perfume school because he did not have the traditional science schooling. So before blending notes, he spent years running his own theater company and studying dramatic arts. He is a fast machine. In a single year, he is known to have formulated over 35 distinct mainstream and niche perfumes. Quentin Biche is a master of contracts. He'll put two notes that are theatrically opposite. He takes polarizing elements like sweetness and earthiness and puts them together and creates something masterful. So let's dive into his perfumes. Now the first one is Parfums Himali Dalina. Before Dalina, rose perfumes were considered very vintage, polite, and quiet. Quentin Biche changed this forever. He slammed regal Turkish rose into a sharp, mouth-watering tart rhubarb and juicy lychee. So he creates this wild, high-friction contrast that makes the perfume so alive. And then he grounded the perfume with this warm vanilla and cashmere. So he created a hyper-modern, room-filling cloud, bold, fiercely feminine, and a gorgeous representation of this is Delilah by Maison Alhambra. It's a gorgeous, beautiful representation. Next one is an absolutely crazy perfume. He created a luxury leather perfume without using a single drop of smoke or leather. Imagine this. Dynamite is the name of this. It's magic because it avoids the natural world entirely. He created a crystal clear suede note using engineered molecules. The initial blast is very spacey. It has that icy, space-like sleekness. And then he contrasted it with a warm, sun-baked, slightly salty immortelle flower. It's a complete optical illusion for the nose, smelling like the glossy fashion magazine, new cars, rich suede, and Maison Alhambra created Mineral, which is a gorgeous representation of this. And another line for which Quentin created multiple perfumes is Jean Paul Gaultier. But my favorite is La Male Elixir. So he took the traditional classic La Male, lavender and milk, a barbershop kind of a DNA, and fused it with deep, syrupy, ultra-sensual profile. The dry down is so boozy, rich, and a heavy blend of warm honey, rich tobacco, and powdery vanilla. And I think the best dupe of this is made by Afnan, and it is their 9 p.m. Elixir. So the next one that I really like, that is the 1 million Elixir. In this, he put the top notes of apple with heart notes of rose, cedarwood, osmanthus, which is so beautiful. The base notes are so well balanced with vanilla and tonka. And there are many dupes of this one. The best one is by Fragrance World, and it's called La Una Million Elixir. It's not possible to cover all his gorgeous perfumes in one video. Wait for the second part of this. And all I need to say to end this video is that Quentin Biche proved that you do not need traditional knowledge to conquer the fragrance world.